You can whisper or you can shout. My desire for you is in no doubt. Your mind can swim when tears fall out, but I am here for you. You can whisper or you can.
So my name is Yao. You may know me as Way of Yao from Instagram or YouTube, and I am a social media influencer.
Tears fall out, but I am here for you. So how I know that.
So I created a look consisting of mainly neon colors. I used a neon yellow and a neon green. And I just think that the way that the colors look on my skin look absolutely stunning. I love doing makeup that really stands out.
You want my candy, you want my poses.
So in terms of the eye look, I wanted to almost create something that looks similar to that of a butterfly. It was almost to replicate wings, the top bit and the bottom bit there. That's what I was trying to create. And my base makeup, I applied, you know, your regular foundation, concealer, and I set that with powders as well. That is just to make sure that all of my facial structure and my facial features are actually pronounced. In terms of the lip work, I really wanted to accentuate that lip shape, and I really wanted to add a lot of detail. So you had the graphic liner around it with the upside down triangle in the center, and then you had a really beautiful blended ombre in the middle, which correlated with the eye look as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a pleasure to create it, and I hope you guys can take something home from it as well. Bye guys.